Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis video, another mechanical engineering courses. Before that, in the previous video, we did the requirement analysis for douchebag, and we already knew how to apply for application procedure. If you wanted to apply, then you could also check for other application procedures that we have done for douchebag, then you could also done it. But if what is not there, if I have not showed you, then it would be for usually for winter semester. That's the reason I have not showed you how to apply. And today we will be doing our requirement analysis for one of our college, which will be Aalen, for Master of Science in Advanced Material and Manufacturing Research Master in Aalen University, and this is available for winter and summer both semesters. And I will check if which semester is open, then we will also go through for that. Before that, how we got to know here, we were having a 30 criteria, 30 colleges in our criteria. The criteria that we chose was Master Degree Engineering Sciences, Master Degree Engineering Sciences, Mechanical Engineering, and summer semester. So usually if we take a summer semester, then it will also come around 60-70 colleges. But I thought if we will finish first summer semester, then we will focus on winter semester. Then we can also apply to the colleges which are already open. Then I will also make application video. Before that, but today it will be our requirement analysis in Master of Science in Advanced Material and Manufacturing Research Masters. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need, so that they can also look into our videos, check for the requirement analysis at first, understand the requirements, and get to know what are the documents that each university needs, and understand the requirements, what are the requirements that each German university wants. After that, you will also check for the application deadline. Then you will write down your application deadline, you will get to know the application links and where to apply. After having all those information, get ready with the documents and where to apply. Then when the application deadline is hits, then you can also search for our application videos, where I have also most of the time show you how to apply for that particular college. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me, you want me to apply for you, then please don't hesitate to contact me via email or somewhere, or you can also become your YouTube member. Then I can also apply for you, and I can also make you one-on-one session with you. But without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, today it would be Master of Science in Advanced Material Science and Manufacturing requirement analysis. In the overview, you can just see the degree is Master of Science Advanced Materials and Manufacturing. Course location is in Aalen, and teaching language is English, and languages, all courses are taught in English, so you can finish your degree 100% in English, so no need to worry. Full-time, part-time, it is only full-time possible. Program duration is 3 semesters. Beginning of semester is winter and summer both. Personal attendance is required by at least 30th November for the winter semester and 30th April for summer semester. So this is the additional information to be on the beginning, duration of mode of study. So until when the latest courses will be doing, and until when the summer semester courses will be going in a calendar year. So for 30th November, the winter semester attendance is required, and for 30th April the summer semester attendance is required. And application deadline, as I told you, for winter semester or for summer semester, 15th September was the deadline, so it was already finished, so we don't need to, or we can't apply as of now. But for winter semester it is 15th March, so I think we are in a good time to apply for this particular course. I think the application is also open, because we are in January 28th. Then usually if it is ending in 15th March, then the application should be open now. So I will show you in the next videos how to apply for this particular course. And tuition fees is 1,500 euros. This is why, because even though Aalen University comes under public university and it's an Hochschule, but it is in Baden-Württemberg state. So whichever the public university that are in Baden-Württemberg state, including most of the major university like University of Stuttgart, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, which are famous, which are also in TU9, they also have 1,500 euros. So this is the state fees. Don't think like college is having a fees. No, this is the state fees, but that is mandatory in all public university under Baden-Württemberg state. So EU students, we have to don't need to have a tuition fees. Only international students or non-EU students we have to pay 1,500 plus upon the semester contribution, which will be 200-300 euros. So it will all comes up to 1,700 euros. Then combined degree master program is not possible. Combined degree PhD is also not possible. Get to know the course detail in course detail structure. Here is the PDF where you can also get to know the course completely, how the 3 semester course is divided. Here in the 3 semester course or the 90 credit course is divided like this. So at first semester you will do research module 1 where you will do 20 credit research about any of the topic, and in the 5 credit points you will do project management or engineering subject and optional compulsory module 1. Then in second semester also you will do research module 2, engineering project management 2, optional compulsory module 2, and in third semester it will be directly studied upon your master thesis, where you have to finish your master thesis and defend your master thesis, get your thesis defended. When you pass, you will finish your degree also. So this is how the 3 semester course is structured for the 90 credit course, the 3 semester course. And at the end of the degree, when you have finished your master thesis and defended, a diploma supplement will be issued for you. Integrated internship. During the course of study, students have opportunity to complete voluntary internship of any of the large renowned companies southern Germany. So as I told you, it is a voluntary internship. There is no mandatory internship in your curriculum because it is only 3 semester and your curriculum is already fixed, so you don't have time for mandatory internship. But after second semester you can already take a break and go and do a voluntary internship, then get to know everything. Then special promotion, funding opportunity, everything is there on the state level, so you can check in the you can check inside the Aalen University website itself how and where you can get the funding opportunities. Then tuition fees, as we already talked about, 1,500 euros. You student doesn't have the tuition fees, but non-EU has to pay 1,500 per semester, including 170 euros as a semester contribution. So it will all counts up to 1670 or approximately 1,700 euros. You can count it. Then semester contribution. Then cost of living. As I told you, cost of living is approximately 1,000 euros, but this is irrespective, because at first year you will be anyway irrespective of money. You will be blocking for 1 year of money which will be prescribed in the visa application. So that particular money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. Then you will get to know in 1 year end what is the average amount of money you are spending and how much you want it. And in the second year, when you have to get your visa renewed, then you need to have a account again or any of the time job contracts, so that you can prove that yes, you have funding for next upcoming year, then your visa will be renewed. Then funding opportunity within the university, yes, as told you, it is there. Then the options for funding opportunities are Deutschland Stipendium, German and international funding opportunity. Received recipients will have 300 euros per month. Requirements and registration. In order to get into this particular course, what are the requirements that you need to have? So for usually Aalen University, it will be less and very straightforward requirements as it is Hochschule. So here also you can just say highly qualified bachelor students from natural science and technology background who are inclined towards the research and development, includes focus of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and encouraged to apply. So our overall grade of 2.5 is necessary. So as I told you so many times, 2.5 comes under 7.3 to 7.4 CGPA of Indian grade. So please make sure you fall under 2.5 below. Then you will have around 7.3 to 7.4 CGPA in German, in Indian CGPA also. Then you need to have IELTS of B2 level. Usually it will be TOEFL, IELTS, everything is accepted. For B2 level, for IELTS it is above 6. So please make sure you are above 6 and you have 2.5 below CGPA or GPA. Then you are already set to apply for this particular course, because this doesn't has any admission requirement. It is just general on the top, where you need to have a academic requirement of 2.5 GPA or 7.56 CGPA, and you need to have a certified English language certificate up to B2 level. Then the normal SOP, LOR, the 10th certificate, 12th certificate, degree certificate, everything is normal, which we apply for every colleges. Then submit the application here and fill out the details about application process. Step-by-step guide is here, where you can check for the complete guide how to apply for this particular course, when to do, and what are the necessary university qualification, and how the IELTS certificate, what is the B2 level that they are asking. As I told you, the IELTS should be 6 and above, not 5.5 and above. Even 5.5 is also B2. They are asking 6 and above, so you need to have 6 and above. Then this is the application link where we usually submit the application. But as I told you, I will check and in the next videos you will know the next two videos what it would be. It would be requirement analysis in Aalen University in direct website. Then I will also show you how to apply for this particular course. You apply as I showed, then after getting an admission you will be directly going for student visa authorities in India. Then you will get your student visa, then come to Germany. After coming to Germany, you have a possibility of finding a part-time job inside Aalen city or in the college itself. So either in college you will find technical jobs like heavy work student, research assistant, etc. But if you don't find it, then you also have an opportunity to get or find an opportunity as a non-technical jobs like working in restaurants and etc. For accommodation, as soon as you get an admission, then you can also apply for student dorm inside the Aalen area where you can get a cheaper accommodation. Then career advisory service is always there, German language courses, job and CV, everything they will also check in international center. You can also get a help from there. Then as a welcome, as an international student, you will have your welcome event, body program, accompanying program, support with registration process, etc. Then you can also check for international center of Aalen University, what are the things that they offer, how it is there, when, where and all. You can find what are the brochure and everything. The student to supervisor ratio is 1:5. So each supervisor has 5 students, which is minimalistic, and you have a better chance of asking for part-time and research project and thesis.